How to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up in-game. The number one reason for this problem is that you downloaded Roblox using the Microsoft Store. So if you downloaded Roblox from this right here, you have to delete Roblox and then open up your browser and type in Roblox download, and the first link on roblox.com, click download Windows app, which would then download the installer where you can install Roblox. And then your voice chat should show up in games. If your microphone doesn't work, click the speakers icon, right click on it, and then click open sound settings. From here you can test your microphone. So every time I'm not talking, as you can see there's nothing, but every time I talk, there's this blue line that signifies the decibels that I'm talking in. So if nothing is showing up here, click the choose your input device and mess around here until you get a signal from your voice, from your microphone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.